the man accused of murdering 4 University of Idaho students, goes back to court this morning for a hearing that will set the stage for his trial. Bryan Kohberger's lawyers are trying to stop a jury from seeing potentially damaging evidence against him. Jonathan Vigliotti is at the courthouse in Boise, Idaho. Jonathan, good morning.
And Nate, good morning to you. Family members of the victims, along with the man accused of murdering them, will appear at this hearing later on this morning. They'll be watching on as prosecutors and the defense debate what evidence can be presented before a jury. We're talking everything from DNA and text messages to online searches.
Ahead of the trial of Bryan Kohberger, both the prosecution and defense have submitted more than 170 legal filings.
The hearing is truly consequential. Each side is saying there is evidence that should be prohibited from coming in at trial.
Kohberger is accused in the stabbing deaths of Kaylee Gonzalez, Madison Mosion, Xana Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin in their off-campus house. A focal point is testimony from one of the surviving roommates who claims to have seen a masked man with bushy eyebrows in the house the night of the murders.
Oh, and they saw some man in their house last night.
The defense argues this could unfairly influence the jury since the roommate didn't see a face. But prosecutors want the jury to see this selfie they say Kohberger took hours after the murders to help support the roommate's account.
And it really is a generic description of many, many people. I believe that that description will stand.
The defense is also seeking to limit their client's online shopping data. Prosecutors allege Kohberger used his Amazon account to purchase what they believe to be the murder weapon, a K-bar knife. The knife was never found, but investigators discovered its sheath, similar to this image from Amazon, at the crime scene. The defense believes it was planted at the scene. They also say Kohberger has been diagnosed with autism, which could take the death penalty off the table.
This whole argument about Bryan Kohberger being on the autism spectrum and having this mental disorder really is for the judge to decide if this is someone who can legally, constitutionally get the death penalty.
And Kohberger is charged with 4 counts of first-degree murder. If he is found guilty and if the judge allows it, the state will be pursuing the death penalty. The trial is set to begin in August. It is expected to last 3 months, Gayle.
All right, Jonathan, got it. Thank you very much.